What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix the error if Claude miss up something which you have given to it in the previous prompt, and how to make the response come in a bullet points. So for that the process is very simple. This was a generic conversation I was having, and I was doing deep research about the AI in the supply chain and its effect. So I got all the documentation over here, and I got the different ideas about regarding publishing a blog. Now I will just ask it. For example, over here you will see that in the initial prompt, I make two phases: ruthless web research, brainstorming, and unforgiving blog post execution. But what happened? It came back with just phase one and forget about the phase two. So I asked it, so we skipped the phase two, and it says correct my fault. The extended search task output rendered as an artifact, and I move past the phase one gate without presenting the three ideas for your selection. Now after asking it, it redo the phase two. So by just giving a simple prompt and reminding it from the previous prompt, you will be able to fix the error. Now coming back to the takeaways, write the takeaways in the bullet points. So by adding and giving this prompt to the Claude, you will be able to takeaways in the bullet form very easily. You don't even have to be worried about it. Now you will see that everything is in the bullet form, and you guys can do it very easily. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.